What's up? In this video, we're switching things up a bit. Instead of dropping on beat 1 like we usually do, which is the standard, we're going to drop and release the record on beat 2. Being able to scratch and transition on beat 2 gives us another tool to use, and it's important because not being limited to beat 1 opens up more options. Since we can use beat 2, we can start choosing exactly where we want to come in. Hence, we can be more creative. Let's check out the phrase. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dropping on beat 1 is a given. We all do it, and it's the standard. Didn't say it was easy, I said it was the standard. Up to this point in this series, I've refrained from using my mantra, but because we're dropping on beat 2, I have to bring it back. Count out loud. The reason I'm saying this is because I have a feeling some of you might be finishing your scratch phrase and accidentally dropping on beat 4 instead. So remember to count out loud. All right, let's go over the transition. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the thing. The reason I said that some of you might be dropping on beat 4 is because I've done it a million times before at the crib. I used to do it all the time before I knew how to count. I was unsure and I was feeling my way around the decks. Look, I know counting isn't the most fun thing to do, but when we do it, we know exactly where we are and where we're going. This gives us the ability to identify where we are and where we're having problems. That means we can fix them. I hope this helps you out. Peace.